just want to mention that, guys, this is our 100th video. And thank you for all the support and everything that you guys have done for me, and all the subscribes and all the comments and all the likes. Yeah. This channel has grown pretty far, so we'll keep it up. Keep posting until we can't post anymore. Oh boy.
Guys, what's up? It's Boy back, and welcome to another banger of a YouTube video. And today, I got my brother here, Bennett.
Yeah.
And why don't you tell me what we're gonna be doing today?
We got a cardboard box, and we wrote on it,
Honk for doctors. So we're standing at the side of our neighborhood, like on the sidewalk where cars come mainly. And we're gonna see if anyone wants to honk for our doctors. So
let's go.
stay tuned.
And so we made a sign that says honk for doctors.
And we got our first car coming.
Okay,
No, don't film the car.
Film out. No! He passed too quick. He passed too quick.
Okay. Why wouldn't anyone want to honk for our doctors? I mean, they're saving us from the Caroli.
Sorry if the audio is really bad because our dad is mowing the lawn.
Oh, and BT Dub.
He got a new pass.
Okay, so we're just waiting for the next car, and hopefully they'll see our sign, honk for doctors.
Who wouldn't honk for doctors? There's a car, there's a car,
Here we go, guys, here we go, keep it rolling, no more Carolis.
Oh, let's put it up now so I can read it. Read it now, man! Yes, we got one! We got two. Wait, should we do points?
No.
Okay, we got two honks
Over
already.
here until Dad, we got one. Okay, stop it.
So we're just waiting for more cars. We got two honks. We are so happy.
And you guys know how I put in front of my face because I didn't want them to see how cringing I was. I would.
And if you look on the other side, if you watch your hydro dipping video, it still has some colors from our hydro dipping video.
We're waiting for these people.
Peoplers, come on!
Come on, it is traffic hour. Why would you not want to come home?
Duh. Traffic hour.
And we just saw the cricket the size of Texas running.
I know. I mean, it's traffic hour. You should come home. Well, there are people coming home because traffic hour that are in traffic.
Yeah, we missed a couple of them because we didn't have the sign ready.
And we got really scared.
Yeah, we chickened out.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting for... Why are you backing up?
Because you're walking so close to me, dude. I was gonna do that. He's sprinting. Look, okay, back on, camera's on, let's go. Bye-bye. People would not sounds. Yeah, it makes no sounds. I don't know why people do not want to honk for doctors. They save us. Oh, look at this beautiful sunset, by the way.
Yeah, we got one. We got one.
We got one.
Yeah, we got one. Bennett got one.
We got one. We got one.
Yeah,
Yes!
we got it, baby. Woo.
We got two. Okay.
We got two.
Waiting for some cars. They have not been coming to us. That's dancing, considering you have a
Oh,
cast.
gosh.
Okay. I thought I saw a car.
We got one. Here we go.
Honk for doctors. They don't do it because they need time to read it. Do it. Put it up. Whoa! Whoa, we got one. Bye,
Guys, we
sunset.
got one. Here we go.
Yeah!
That one. Nice. Ooh, here we go. Let's get a honk up in here. Honk, honk, honk. Yeah!
We got
that
two.
one.
No! Yes!
Yes. Bro, it was very late.
Very late.
Very late. we got two right here. Let's see.
Oh my.
Huh. Thank you. You.
No, thank you.
To you. No, well, actually, everybody's super nice in this neighborhood. But maybe they just didn't see the sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
He looked at the sign, but he thought we were doing
Man,
something
it
else.
was kind of out of focus, but it's still okay.
What would it go? Piece of. So we just got 3 honks.
Well, no, we got way more. We have like 10 honks in this
so
video.
far. But we got doubles, which
Yeah.
was really cool.
But only one honk. So.
Yeah. One was reading the sign, but I think he thought it was something else.
He probably thought we were hitchhiking.
I know. Yeah. 3 cars, triple cars, triple cars. Megan, do it. Megan was do it to them.
You started.
Oh, that guy's turning. They're both turning.
Okay, well that's kind of forced.
We only got one because the 2 of them turned.
Woo! Okay.
2 of them turned at the same time.
Going cut.
Going.
Still pretty far, so I'm gonna wait till they get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
The key is the hand motions.
Might be hard because you have a broken wrist.
Hand motions.
Yeah! Got one. Got one.
Got one.
Woohoo! Cut.
Only our 81st.
Cut it.
So focus. Here we go. Sorry, blurry.
Woo!
Yeah! Sorry, this is so blurry right now. It's that one.
Woo!
We got 3. That one.
Going.
That was so loud.
Yes.
Wow. They didn't honk.
So mean.
No, actually, everybody in our neighborhood's really nice, so
Yeah.
I'm sure they just couldn't see it. So that's in the video, and this is a very special video.
Because it is Barbara Beckham's
100th video on the channel, and it's really special. So we decided to do like a honk for doctors special, because we know our doctors have been going through a lot, like through COVID and all this stuff, and
So
they've been
we
really
would like-
stressed lately, and we want to take a second to recognize all of their hard work.
Yeah.
So we dedicate our 100th video to those doctors. Thank you for everything you do.
Let's go.
The world wouldn't be the same without you. Doctors, it's also what they did. They helped me with this. Yeah. Oh man, that thing's really loud.
COVID would still be here with that.
Without
if we
COVID
didn't-
is still here, but like
COVID-
it's going down. The numbers are going down, so everything's starting to open
COVID
back.
Would
Be way stronger without the doctors. So
yeah.
thank you, doctors. That's it for this video. Bella Boy out.